So have new developments tonight in the case against the suspect accused of firing a gun toward Temple, Israel in Albany 1 week ago today.
28-year-old Mufid Fawaz Alkhader of Schenectady made his second initial appearance in federal court this afternoon.
News 10 ABC's Skylar Eagle joining us live from outside of the federal courthouse in Albany with more details on today's hearing and what comes next in all of this. Skylar.
Trishna, Lydia, Mufid Fawaz Alkhader is facing a second charge, conspiracy to make a false statement while purchasing a firearm. Court documents alleging that he had a friend purchase a shotgun for him back in November. That shotgun was then used in front of Temple, Israel in Albany just hours before the first night of Hanukkah. According to court documents, Alkhader told police he wanted to buy a gun but was ineligible because of a prior order of protection or restraining order. He then contacted a friend identified in the court documents as co-conspirator number 1, who agreed to purchase a shotgun for him. That individual told police they were given $700 cash to buy the gun and paid at least $200 to make the purchase, lying on the ATF forms in the process, which is a federal crime. According to police, Alkhader then used that shotgun outside Temple, Israel on New Scotland Ave in Albany on December 7th, leading to a lockdown of the temple where children were in school and of St. Peter's Hospital, which is right next door. Alkhader told police the events in the Middle East have impacted him, police telling reporters he was heard saying "Free Palestine" when officers arrested him. The latest allegation is in addition to an earlier charge of possession of a firearm by a prohibited person related to his use of marijuana. Possessing a firearm while using marijuana is illegal under federal law. With these two charges, he faces a maximum of 20 years in prison. Alkhader did not make a plea today in court. He's being held in Albany County Jail without bail, the judge calling him a flight risk and danger to the community. And there is a lot that is being investigated when it comes to this situation. The FBI is currently investigating this as a hate crime, and we do expect, as the investigation moves forward, that more charges will be filed in due time. We will, of course, have the latest for you on air and online. For now, reporting live in Albany, Skylar Eagle, News 10 ABC.